how to fix Kalshi app not working. So here's what we want to do. First, load up your phone settings, and we'll scroll down just like that until the search bar appears, and we want to search for offload, and you will see this option, offload unused apps. Click on it just like that, and from this list that pops up here, you want to find the Kalshi application. So I'll just show you with another app here for Monopoly Go, for example. Here, what you want to do is open up your Kalshi app just like that, and you select offload app. Once you have offloaded the application, you will click on reinstall. Now what this is going to do, it's going to keep all of your data. It's just going to make sure that the Kalshi app has correctly been installed, and it's going to verify your files. So give it some time here for the offloading to take place, and then for the reinstall to take place, and afterwards this should make your Kalshi app work properly. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.